vital ingredients for all life on Earth begin in these raging torrents. Millions of gallons of water relentlessly carve through rock and soil, grinding away, picking up a precious cargo. Sediment and oxygen. Together, these are potent ingredients. In these fast-flowing waters, just a few specially adapted creatures can survive. But when the raging torrent slows down, this cargo fuels a transformation. Nowhere shows this more dramatically than here in South America. Water from the Brazilian plateau floods into a vast lowland bowl the size of California to create the greatest wetland on Earth, the Pantanal. This is home to the largest cat in the Americas, the Pantanal jaguar. Weighing in at over 160 kilograms, twice as heavy as an average man. These famously elusive cats are so numerous here that people travel from around the world just to see them. But other predators also thrive in this wetland. The biggest snake in the world, the green anaconda. It can grow up to 9 meters long. And around every corner lurks a caiman. 10 million caimans, the largest concentration of crocodilians anywhere on Earth. And all these deadly predators hunt the largest rodent in the world. The capybara. 100 times heavier than a guinea pig, the capybara is the dominant plant eater in the Pantanal. They gather in huge numbers. Everything here is big. This is the land of the giants.